Hello, we're back with another video, and today we came up with a fallish lookish color. I don't know. And the palette that I used was the Zulu by Juvias. This. And the colors that she have is these. And I use this one, and I don't know if you saw those, but and this one, and I liked it. If you don't have it, go get it, just to let you know. And let's get into the video. First, we're gonna put on the foundation. About this much. Take your foundation brush. We're gonna put this pretty bluish color on. And next we're gonna take this color. We're gonna take this color, if it will focus, this color in our inner corner. And then we got this look. Then we're gonna take my favorite mascara. We're gonna put it on. And put it on. And this is the look that I came up with. I liked it. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and see you Friday. Bye.